Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in tools and tech. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best laser level on the market right now. The Dewalt 20 volts, 12 volts max laser level kit, 3x360, green. If you're in the construction or DIY world and you need precision, accuracy, and durability, this could be the tool that takes your projects to the next level. Let's dive into what makes this Dewalt laser level stand out. At first glance, the Dewalt 20 volts max laser level kit looks like a solid, high-end tool, and that's because it is. Dewalt, a name trusted by professionals, has packed this laser level with advanced features that make it one of the best in its class. Whether you're an electrician, plumber, carpenter, or general contractor, this tool is designed to save you time. Improve your accuracy and make sure your projects come out right every time. One of the standout features of this laser level is its triple 360-degree laser rotation. What does that mean? Simply put, it gives you complete visibility around your work area, whether it's a ceiling, wall, or floor. You can easily project full 360-degree horizontal and vertical laser lines, allowing you to work in all directions with ease. The green lasers are especially helpful, as they are brighter and more visible than red lasers, even in bright light conditions. So, whether you're indoors or in an outdoor environment, these lasers will provide clear, crisp lines every time. For accuracy, this laser level does not disappoint. It boasts a remarkable precision of within 1/8 inch at 30 feet. That means when you're setting up your lines, you can trust that your measurements will be exact, no more second guessing or recalculating distances. Whether you're installing shelves, aligning tiles, or hanging pictures, this level ensures your lines are always perfect. Another feature that makes this tool stand out is its fine adjustment knob, which allows for precise positioning. With this feature, you can make micro adjustments to the level, so your lines are not just accurate, they're as close to perfection as possible. This added level of precision is something you'll appreciate when working on detailed tasks that demand high accuracy. But it's not just about accuracy and visibility. The Dewalt laser level is built for durability. With an overmolded case and an IP54 rating, it offers protection against dust and splashes of water, making it ideal for even the toughest job sites. Whether you're dealing with debris, rain, or accidental drops, you can trust this tool to perform without skipping a beat. What's more, this laser level is designed to work long hours without requiring constant recharging. With a runtime of up to 10 hours on a single 20 volts max 2.0 Ah battery, you can keep working throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. And if you need even more runtime, you can use larger capacity batteries for extended use. This feature alone makes it a favorite for those who work on big projects or jobs that require a lot of precision. The integrated magnetic pivoting base is another fantastic feature. This allows you to position the laser exactly where you need it, without having to hold it manually. This is especially useful when you're working alone or need to keep your hands free for other tasks. Now, let's talk about the range. The Dewalt laser level has a visible range of up to 230 feet, and with the detector, that range extends up to an impressive 330 feet. This means you can use this tool on larger projects and still get highly accurate measurements over a long distance. Whether you're aligning large beams or working on wide spans, this tool ensures you can see your lines with precision. When it comes to reliability, this laser level has you covered. Dewalt backs it with a 3-year limited warranty, 1 year of free service, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. This means you can buy with confidence, knowing that if something goes wrong, you're covered. To wrap things up, the Dewalt laser level kit is a powerhouse tool designed for professionals and serious DIYers alike. With its triple 360-degree laser, long runtime, exceptional accuracy, and rugged durability, it's the best in its class. If you're looking for a laser level that delivers in terms of performance and reliability, the Dewalt laser level kit is the one to get. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, stay sharp and keep building.